The 24 consonant phonemes used in English, from if to ir. Here we have to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. This phoneme, this symbol represents the phoneme iv. The name of this phoneme is iv. It is a voiced phoneme. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. Note, consonant phonemes would take place either the initial apposition, final apposition of the syllable, at the beginning of the syllable. V-A-N, U-A-N, va, V-E-N-T, V-E, V-A, in it went, V-E, V-E-A, B, U-A, va, ib, verb, V-I-C-E, U-I-Y is vice, V-O-I-C-E, U-I, Y is voice, voice, V-I-E-W, U-E-U, view, V-I-N-E, U-I-Y in wine. At the end of the syllable, L-I-V-E, verb, L-I, live, live, adjective, L-I-V-E, adjective, L-I, live, live, L-O-V-E, L-R, law, you, love, C-A-V-E, it, A, K-U, cave, E-O-V-E, it, da, you, dove, F-A-V-E, if, A, fay, you, favor, G-A-V-E, if, A, K, you, gave, H-A-V-E, if, ha, you, have, P-A-V-E, if, A, pay, you, pave, C-A-V-E, is, A, say, you, save, W-A-V-E, wa, A, Y, you, wave. That V represents this phoneme.